What does this part and that part and this one and that one and these two parts have in common? All of them can be made with the Supermold program. We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes. Afterward, you can go directly into production.
When you do 3D printing, you're worried about the resolution of the print, the materials you have available, and the overall functionality of the end product. Using the Ash Supermold, you have solid production quality parts right off the bat, any material you need, and high precision.
You see, the Supermold is applicable to any situation where you have an open and shut mold, part fits within a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. Our process doesn't care what your part does. Aerospace, medical, consumer, retail, just doesn't matter. All that matters is that it fits in a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. So in the Supermold, what in the world are you getting? You get a mold that has a lifetime guarantee and real injection molded parts that fit your application right now. After we're done, you have a mold. Some customers use this as the proving ground for the next generation of product. You see, in the Supermold program, the idea is to give you your geometry in your material. We have packaged this product and the Supermold is waiting for you. Send the geometry, send us a purchase order. We'll get started today.